Kiss mo ako.
Please ka muna.
Please?
Their love for each other is unbreakable.
Ikaw ang aking present at saka future.
But what if fate breaks them apart?
Dito ho ba nakatira si Miguel Miares? Na-aksidente ho siya.
Kamusta ng pakiramdam mo?
Sino ka ba talaga?
Naisip namin na payagan mo siya ulit maging close kay Bella. Kung maging malapit sila ulit sa isa't isa, baka maging madali ang recovery ni Migs at bumalik ang alaala niya.
I insist to be with someone whom I don't really love.
Kapuso Power Couple, Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera.
I promise to love you and to take care of you.
Naman kita, Mix.
One True Love, August 4, Sunday at these times. On GMA Pinoy TV.